What's up guys, it's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian and personal trainer behind your favorite healthy living blog, Hungry Hobby, where I'm craving a balance between happy and healthy. Today I'm here to show you how to make the easiest side dish ever. It is my Mediterranean Quinoa Salad, and it's very, very easy to make. So you're gonna wanna put this one in your arsenal for potlucks and easy weeknight dinners and delicious food that makes you feel great. So let's get after it, but before we do that, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab so that you never miss a healthy recipe, workout, or nutrition tip, and we'll get started. All right guys, so for this recipe, we're going to start with cooked quinoa. Now, if you don't like the taste of quinoa, or you know quinoa haters out there, my big #1 tip in making quinoa that tastes good is A, rinse it, even if it says it's pre-rinsed, and B, use vegetable stock or chicken stock or broth to cook the quinoa instead of water. So follow your package directions, but use broth in place of water, and you will get something that tastes delicious instead of like earthy, dirty food, which is what quinoa can taste like sometimes. So there we go. Now we have delicious quinoa. We can start adding things. I like to add roasted red peppers, and I bought mine in the jar because ain't nobody got time, even as a food blogger, to be roasting my own red peppers. I also like to do some canned chickpeas that have been rinsed. Some people are iffy on beans. You can put these in or not. This is all modifiable. You can leave things out, take it in, put it in. You can change it however you want. That's what I love about this recipe. It's so versatile. Sliced olives are a must in my opinion when it comes to Mediterranean salad. I used to be a Kalamata olive hater, but I don't know. Somewhere over the years it grew on me, so I used Kalamata, but you could also use sliced black olives or green olives or whatever you want. Feta is also optional, but a delicious addition, of course. Then we like to do a ton of parsley, like a whole head of parsley. Now that's not what I have in the original recipe, but I did make a note that when I make this for Mr. Hungry, he just like is obsessed with parsley. He almost wants it like tabbouleh style, which I do have a quinoa tabbouleh, which I'll link below. But we put just enough in this that it's not quite tabbouleh, but very, very full of parsley. And that's kind of the signature thing I do a little different. We chop it pretty finely. I'm not so great at removing the stems, so you don't need to worry so much about that unless it bothers you, but I do chop it pretty finely, and then I add it in along with, I do sliced red onion instead of diced, just to give some textural differences because we have a lot of different diced things going in here. And then marinated artichoke hearts. Now you could use artichoke hearts in water, but what I like about doing the marinated artichoke hearts is that they are already kind of seasoned Mediterranean-y. They have a little bit of oil in them, and so when you start to mix the salad, that really adds to it without you having to do too much. Then it's time to add a little bit more flavor. So I do two things. One, my super secret ingredient, which is sumac, which I was just told is pronounced sumac and not sumac, so there's that, by my half Middle Eastern husband. But Mr. Hungry's uncle brings this to us from Michigan, but you can get it anywhere. He just gets it in bulk there. It is a very popular seasoning in the Middle East, and it's very lemony in flavor, and it is the secret must-have ingredient in my Mediterranean quinoa salad. It sets it apart from all the other ones because it gives it that unique flavor that I feel like all the other ones are missing. I also do a little bit of lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste, but this is the thing. And if you don't have someone who can get it for you in bulk, you can still buy it at any grocery store. It's widely available. It is a little bit more on the expensive side, but I promise you, you will not regret it. Once you have all your ingredients and seasonings in, you can start mixing it up, taste it, and then adjust as you like. And that's it. It's great paired with my chicken shawarma recipe, which I'll leave a link below, and I just made that in the air fryer, so you can actually make my chicken shawarma in the air fryer too, so I'll link both those recipes below. It's great for a potluck too. Let me know if you guys try this. You can tag me at @HungryHobbyRD on Instagram, and make sure, if you haven't already, to hit that bell notification tab and the red subscribe button so that you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.